This is by far the easiest creme brulee recipe. You're going to start by prepping your vanilla pods. You're going to cut them open and scrape out the vanilla beans. And then to a pot, you're going to add in 3 cups of heavy cream and your vanilla beans and the pods. And you're going to add your pot over a medium-low heat and bring to a simmer. While that's simmering, add in 5 egg yolks to a bowl, and then add in half a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Then you're going to whisk this all together. And you're going to whisk until smooth. Once your cream mixture has come to a simmer, you're going to take it off the heat and let it cool completely for 15 minutes. Once it's cooled, then you're going to strain it into your egg mixture. And then whisk everything together. Then to a tray, you're going to add in your ramekins, and then you're going to fill the tray up 1/3 of the way with hot water. And then you're going to just carefully pour in your custard mixture into each ramekin, and you're going to fill your ramekins about 2/3 of the way up. And then bake in the oven at 325 for about 40 minutes or until the center is jiggly. Then you're going to dust each ramekin with some sugar. And you're going to brush the sugar, that way it's evenly coated. Since I don't have a blowtorch, I'm using a spoon and heating it up over a flame and then pressing it down on top of the sugar to caramelize everything. And that's the easiest way to make a creme brulee.